and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy if you are new here, and today I thought we would do a little charity shop haul of what I picked up at the Havens Plus event. If you guys don't know what that event was, where were you? I did an event in Brentwood with Havens. Basically it was only plus size stuff in the shop on 3rd of August, and it was amazing and I loved it, and I'm really happy. So yes, obviously even though I was working the event, I still had to shop the event. So I thought I would show you the 3 items that I picked up. One is a cupboard, does that mean it's 4? Maybe. I am in love with these pieces, and everyone who went basically ended up getting really good bits because there was the most amazing stuff, and all in plus size, which is so exciting, and it's such a massive movement. And it was last night for me when I'm filming this, and there feels like there's a really big buzz around it. Everyone's talking about it, everyone's sharing it, and it just makes me really happy, and hopefully it can be the start of a new movement, and hopefully shopping in charity shops and secondhand in general will become slightly more sustainable for people who are plus size, because it's not always something we're able to do. Quite often when it gets to kind of a size 16, the amount of items dwindles and dwindles and dwindles as it gets in bigger sizes, whereas last night it was kind of the opposite. We had size 16 to 28 and we had a really good healthy amount of every size, and it's really nice. So I picked up 3 things. I'm going to show you them. And the first thing is this super fun cupboard. So I spotted this and showed Hannah, because Hannah, bless her, came and volunteered for the day. I love this. It was £25, but it is new with tags and was £30 new. This is stunning, and it is pyjamas, but I'm going to wear it as normal clothes because it's so pretty. So first off, it's just this kind of striped shirt. It's got white and kind of beige stripes throughout. It is quite an oversized fit, and it is a size 18, but I think even, if you were size 18, this would be quite oversized. This is gorgeous. I do think initially when I saw it, I thought I would tuck this in and make kind of like a play suit, but I do actually think that I would wear this open with like a cute white bralette underneath. I have a bra, like a sports bralette. I'm not sure if I'd be brave enough to wear that just underneath because it kind of is more underwear. So I might look out for like a little bralette in the charity shops to wear underneath this, but it's gorgeous. And then to match is just these little shorts, but they're like a decent enough length. I think you could so totally get away with it. Holding them up now, they do look not super see-through, but a tiny bit see-through, so I will end up wearing like nude knickers underneath this. But these together, like these shorts open with a shirt, I just think that'll look so sweet with like a little cami underneath or a little bralette. I just think this looks so adorable. And I do think I'll be able to wear these separately as well, like wear the shorts with like maybe a black bodysuit and just wear them like that. And then the shirt, obviously I could wear that for work. I could wear that with some leather trousers in winter. You could layer this. Such versatile pieces, and if all else fails, I'll wear them as pyjamas as they're destined to be. But I just think this is stunning, and the material just feels lovely. I don't know what it is. It's originally a rosy homeware M&S thing. This is responsibly sourced cotton. That's probably why they feel so nice. Hold on, let's see if it's 100% cotton. Not that I know really anything about materials, and it's definitely something I need to look into, is like working out what kind of washes better. I know obviously plasticky clothes release microplastic, so it is something I need to start looking into a bit more. Gentle machine wash, warm, do not bleach, medium tumble dry. Interesting, you can tumble dry them. Anyway, love this, really happy with it. And when my friend Amy came in the evening, she was like, oh, I'm so annoyed you got there before me. But Hannah made a very good point. She went, Amy, please can you buy this so I can borrow it? So I have a feeling Amy and Hannah will probably be borrowing this at some point, and I love that. There's nothing more I love than seeing my friends in like my favourite clothes and being like, oh, you love them too. So that's really good. So that was 25. So obviously on the pricier side, I did get my staff discount and all of this, so just bear that in mind as well. The next thing I got, again, is new with tags. This was £20, and it is this super cute little dress. Now when we all saw this off, we were thinking, is this actually more of a beach cover up than you know, a dress you would wear out, but it was actually totally fine. I was wearing a white bra, luckily, actually, when I was at the event. So it's really cute, kind of super lacy kind of detail at the front, frilly sleeves, and then it goes into kind of a shorter dress that again has got that kind of detailing on the bottom, and then the back is quite a deep V, so you can see my bra strap at the back, but I don't really care about that sort of thing. Just absolutely beautiful detail, like all the trim is gorgeous, and then it's got a little tie at the top. So when I tried it on yesterday, it was kind of slipping down my shoulders a little bit, but I hadn't done up the tie. So with the tie done up, I reckon it will actually sit really nice, and I can still wear a bra with it, which is great. As I said, you can see it at the back, but if I was really like worried, I could get one of the extenders that goes a bit lower. This was from a brand called Fig Leaves. I've not heard of that, but it feels quite nice. If anyone knows anything about it, do drop it in the comments, but it feels good quality, you know, and like little details like that on the back where that could have just been like a straight like seam, they make all the difference. I tried this on, and to be fair, I instantly thought this would look amazing with my cowboy boots, and then when I came out and showed Hannah, she was like, that with the cowboy boots, and I was like, I know. I think it's gorgeous. I probably would end up wearing some little cycling shorts underneath, just because that's how I feel more secure. Obviously chub rub, but equally then also just so I'm not exposing myself. I think this is stunning. I do also think you could get away with this over a bikini as a beach cover up, but it's too nice to just be safe for that. So I think I'll end up wearing this quite a lot. And actually, me and my friends joked at one point that for my birthday, we should joke that I'm on my hen do, and they're all my bridesmaids, and go out in London and see what happens. And this would be a great dress for that, if I'm being completely honest. It's gorgeous. I love it. This is one of them lovely summer dresses that I know I'll wear out of every year. I wonder what material this is actually. Let's see if it says in the label. Because this feels like really good quality as well. The size 18, if anyone is wondering. 100% cotton again. Is that good? I'm getting excited about that, because in my head, most of my clothes are plastic, so it's nice to know they're not plastic. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really obsessed with this one. And I'm glad I tried it on, because I'm gonna iron it off because I thought it was going to be like too revealing. But I love it. I really do. I also think I could wear that as a top, tucked into jeans. That'll look really nice. Oh, so many options. The last thing, this is actually new with tags as well. It's funny that everything I got was new with tags. I didn't actually realise that on the night. This was £10 by the brand Principles. I know this brand, but I can't think where it's sold. It's giving, oh, Debenhams. Debenhams.com, that's where it's sold. This is gorgeous. This is just a green zebra print wrap dress. Obviously wrap dresses are notoriously hard to show off. It's got this gorgeous kind of frill detail on the shoulder. This is in a size 16. It's stunning. It's quite a nice length, which is good. And this one does feel like plastic, I'm not going to lie, but it feels like one of the materials that will dry really quickly, like if you're going on a holiday or something. I really love this. Let's see what it is made of, seeing as we're on a bit of a roll with that today. I must admit, when I tried this on in the change rooms, I couldn't find the hole. You know, you sort of think, has someone donated this? Because there's not a hole to put like the wrap bit through. Oh, here we go. This one is 100% polyester, and I said I could feel that. But yeah, it's a really, really pretty dress. And I think this is one that it would be nice for like a brunch. You know, something you don't want to go too fancy, but a little bit fancy. I definitely think you could dress this up with some little white heels. This and like a dressy barbecue or something. I don't know, imagine this like a summer night with some white kind of heels with the wooden soles, or like wedges, espadrilles. I just think this looked gorgeous. I also think I could dress this up quite easily, like, you know, going to dinner, something like that. I think this is really, really sweet, and it just fit really nice. It wasn't too low on a wrap. It felt like it fit nice around my chest. And yeah, I just bloody loved it. So I'm really glad I picked that one up as well. To be honest, I probably could have picked up a lot more. I did take another dress to the changing rooms. I've been eyeing it up all day, but it was kind of... It was long sleeve, kind of like a tiered kind of dress that hits your boobs and just hangs. And it had this gorgeous like pattern for it, but it was really neon. And I don't know if I love neon or not. I think I like it. I love bright colours, she says, having just brought all beige and sage clothing. But there was something about it that wasn't... I'd already tried on these first and decided I love these. I was like, you know what, I don't want to really buy another thing because I've already spent a bit too much money. And because I was umming and ahhing about it all day, I was like, I've seen this all day and I've not decided, that must mean I don't love it. And then actually my friend Amy had eyed it up as well. So I said, you try it on, you know, you take it. And she tried it on and it didn't fit her in the way it wanted her, like she wanted it to fit. It didn't hang right. And then I thought, if it didn't hang right on her, it's very unlikely it would hang right on me. Just kind of good in a way. But yeah, absolutely love these pieces. These feel like really great staple summer pieces. And that's exactly what I want in my life. I want staple, good quality pieces. And I really felt like I found it with these. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm aware none of this stuff was on my thrifting wish list before anyone comments that. But you know what? As Penny said the other day in her post, sometimes you need to make them impulse purchases that make you feel really good. And to be honest, these pieces I know will be in my wardrobe forever. Like, they're them sort of really staple pieces. So I'm really glad I picked them up. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which one you preferred, which one's your favourite. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.